The Mercedes-AMG GT63 Pro is designed for the track, enhancing the already impressive GT63 with more power and precision. AMG's mind-meltingly quick coupe receives all the upgrades necessary for serious track work. The 2025 GT63 Pro boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering 603 horsepower and 627 pounds-feet of torque. This power enables a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 3.1 seconds, reaching a top speed of 197 miles per hour. Aerodynamics and cooling are key to the GT63 Pro's track prowess. It features 2 new radiators in the front wheel arches and additional radiators for the differentials and transfer case. The redesigned front fascia includes air deflectors and an active air panel, reducing front axle lift by 66 pounds. Standard carbon ceramic brakes with 16.5-inch discs and 6-piston calipers provide exceptional stopping power. Lightweight 21-inch forged wheels come with Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires, with ultra-sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2Rs available as a no-cost option. Inside, the GT63 Pro offers AMG Performance bucket seats and carbon fiber accents. The car also includes AMG's hydraulically linked suspension and rear-wheel steering for enhanced handling. There's also rear-wheel steering, AMG Performance bucket seats, and a smattering of carbon fiber throughout the exterior and interior. We suspect the only optional extra will be the paint, should you choose a flashy color. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT63 Pro will make its debut at the Goodwood Festival of Speed this weekend, with deliveries expected next year. Mercedes doesn't mention pricing, though we expect it to be a bit more expensive than the base model, which starts at $136,050. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT63. Stay tuned for our next review. See you on the road.